Hey, this is Darren with Audio Designs and Custom Graphics in Jacksonville, Florida, working on a 2019 Chevy 3500. This is a pretty cool setup we did here. We basically kept everything factory in the front. He already had some mids and highs in here. He had a amp pro piece from PAC. So what that does, it has a Bose system. It gives you a flat output, so you don't have to deal with all the time alignment and equalization. Flattens everything out, which is pretty cool. There's a little bass knob it comes with right there. So we installed a Audio Dynamics 3000 behind the seat here, and then we did a 600.4 on the highs. He had a bunch of scar stuff in here. He hated it. We took it out. It didn't sound good. Then we actually did some AudioMobile 15's under the seats here. So there's we added some polyfill to the box, so it netted it down to 1.25 per sub. We did a seat lift kit, 2.5-inch seat lift on this, so we were able to get some more airspace out of the box. But I don't know, I haven't seen any 15s underneath the seat truck, so we have a box we sell here on our website, which is pretty cool. So it actually contours, dips in to match the same angle of the seat here. And then it angles with the seat too as well. So it's a perfect fit. So you can go to store.audiodesigncg.com, and I'll put a link below. But yeah, this thing hammers, man. It plays really low, sounds really good. 3,000 watt amp on them, so it gets down. I would do it in my truck. So first 15s I've seen, I don't know. But give us a call if you're in Jacksonville. Swing on by. We're on Atlantic Boulevard. Give us a call, 904-333-2322. Or you can check us out online, audiodesigncg.com or store.audiodesigncg.com if you want to go ahead and purchase this enclosure with the woofers. So check us out. So we also added a front camera in here too. So if we put it in reverse, it'll work like normal. So it backs it up out of the spot. Then you put it in drive. And then once you get over like 5 or 6 miles an hour, it shuts off. Woo! And you hit cars coming out the bay.
There's also this here too.
Yeah, but you could also hold down the back button, and then you could add, you could add right and left mirrors, which is pretty cool. I had it on my old truck, so when you put the blinker on, it'll actually show the left side. Put the other blinker on, it'll show the right side. And then the front camera works when you're going slow. You can manually force it, put it in reverse.
See if we can.
So you can speed up here.
Because you gotta get up to about 10 miles an hour. So it doesn't trigger in traffic.
Yeah, so it doesn't keep triggering and stop and go traffic. Get up over 10 miles an hour. Slow down. Boom, front camera comes on. Pretty sweet.